about the 5 best plants you should have in home for your beverage garden. So you can use the plants to make summer coolers, hot teas, cocktails, mocktails throughout the year, and these beverages will be healthy, organic, colorful, flavorful, fresh. I am Dr. Shilpa Naik and welcome to Urban Oasis. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon below. 2 years back, exactly on 29th May 2021, when my garden featured on ABP माझा Marathi national television channel, I had prepared these floral drinks, and many of my friends, relatives wanted to know the recipe. But I would suggest first do plant these 5 easy to grow plants, because then it is easily possible to get all the flowers, leaves throughout the year. And these 5 must have perennial beverage garden plants you must have in your garden are lemongrass, betel leaf, butterflypea, hibiscus and rose. When we have these 5 perennial plants which are very easy to grow, very easy to maintain, care for, they will provide us with leaves and flowers throughout the year in all seasons, summers, winters, rainy seasons, and all parts of these 5 plants are medicinal and very useful. And except betel leaf, all the other 4 plants need sunny spot and regular watering and composting once in 15 days. Let us now see in detail about these 5 plants and how they benefit us. Lemongrass is commonly grown as culinary and medicinal herb. It has fresh lemon-like aroma and citrusy flavor. It is a tall perennial grass native to Asia, Africa, Australia. Lemongrass has been traditionally used as a pain reliever and fever reducer. Lemongrass contains citral, a natural plant compound with anti-inflammatory properties. Lemongrass contains iron, calcium, vitamin C also. It helps in digestion and for relieving joint pains in arthritis. Lemongrass can be easily grown in containers. I have had this plant for more than 8 years now. It is very low maintenance. Let us pluck 10 stalks of lemongrass for our summer cooler preparation. Next is betel leaf plant. Betel leaf plant is cultivated for leaves and is native to Southeast Asia. It is grown in warm regions and is an evergreen vine. Importance of betel leaf has been described in Ayurveda, Charak Samhita, Sushruta Samhita and Kashyapa Bhojana Kalpa. Betel leaf has anti-diabetic, anti-inflammatory, anti-ulcer, hepatoprotective, detoxification properties. It improves digestion and gives relief from constipation. It also fights depression and promotes physical strength. Betel leaf is a climber and I have 2 types of betel leaf. This is Maghai betel leaf which has a small leaf and it has spread all over. You can grow by cutting. You can take 15 centimeter long cutting and cut at below the leaf node and plant this. So betel leaf plant can easily grow from cutting. This betel leaf is of Kolkata variety. Betel leaf plant needs partial shade to grow. We will take these betel leaves to make fresh summer cooler. Next is the butterfly pea flower plant. This plant is evergreen, perennial, leguminous climber and native to Southeast Asia. Especially it is used in India, Indonesia. Butterfly pea flowers are considered auspicious flower in India. This is me outside Kamakhya temple in Guwahati, Assam, holding the garland of butterfly pea flower. Butterfly pea flower is also called aparajita in Hindi or Gokarna in Marathi. The flowers are lovely deep blue colored, and the anthocyanins give this color to the flower. So it is used as a natural food dye in cakes, rice, salads in Asia. Butterfly pea flower plants can easily be grown from the seeds in the pot. See the pods, many pods are on the plant and they consist of seeds, or they can be grown from cutting also. Pests usually do not attack this plant. Clitoria ternatia has widely been used in traditional medicine, especially to enhance cognitive functions and to reduce fever, inflammation, pain, and in diabetes. It boosts memory and learning. It also fights stress, anxiety, and depression. This lovely flower is of double variety Gokarna flower. The plant looks really amazing and is a beauty to have in any garden. The flowers do not have any fragrance or taste in floral drinks. Next is the hibiscus plant. Hibiscus plant is evergreen. The leaves are dark green, shiny, smooth. There are more than 200 species of hibiscus and they are seen in every climate and geographical areas around the world. Hibiscus rosa sinensis is also called Gudhel in Hindi, Jaswandi in Marathi. This variety of hibiscus is traditionally used for consuming as in Ayurveda. Hibiscus flower extract has been widely used for flavor, color in cosmetic industry and in medicines. It has healing properties. Hibiscus has anti-aging, anti-inflammatory properties and traditionally been used in Ayurveda to lower blood pressure and high cholesterol. It also cools burning of eyes, it cures sleeplessness, headache, nasal bleeding, drowsiness, and heat stroke. This variety of hibiscus plant can be easily grown from cutting in India. And a beautiful plant for your beverage garden is rose. This rose is called Desi Gulab. Its variety is Rosa damascena, also called Edward rose. It is a shrub and climbs up by support. This rose has sweet fragrance and it is cultivated in many parts of India for gulkanda or squash, rose oil, and rose water. This rose is supposed to be old heritage rose. I also use all the different roses I have to make rose squash or gulkanda. As I do only organic gardening and never spray anything on plants. Roses are not only for bouquets, but they have a lot of medicinal use also. Rose petals are excellent source of vitamin A, C and E and also iron and calcium. Roses have been used traditionally as medicine since ages. They contain antioxidants. They also promote relaxation, remove stress, and help in digestion. This rose plant variety is very hardy and it can easily be grown by cutting. It needs support to grow and it is very thorny. So these were the 5 must-have plants in your garden. You can dry the flowers and use them. Let us now see the procedure how to make squash or gulkanda. You pluck the flowers in late afternoon, say around 5:30. Then you add lemon to the flowers. Otherwise they will get spoiled overnight. If you pluck the flowers in the morning, then you add candy sugar. That's the difference. I'll show you both processes. First, rose flower I plucked in the afternoon and hibiscus and butterfly pea I plucked in the morning. Remove the petals and discard everything else. Put the petals in the bottle and squeeze half a lemon and properly mix in the petals and close the lid of the bottle and keep it overnight. Next day morning, remove the lid, put in 2 tablespoons of candy sugar. This is the candy sugar I use. This is medicinal candy sugar, uh, which is called patri khadi sakhar, or you get the candy sugar with the thread as it is called. It has a medicinal value. I crushed it in the mixer and made a powder, and I use this for all the gulkanda squashes of any flour I make. Stir the candy sugar powder properly. Cover the bottle with a tissue paper with rubber band, or you can use a soft cotton cloth, and keep this bottle in sun for the whole day. At night you bring the bottle inside, stir properly and cover it with the lid. Again next day you keep it in the sun, stir properly throughout the day 1 or 2 times, or at night, and cover it with lid. After plucking any flowers, wash the flowers thoroughly and spread them on a soft cloth or tissue paper and thoroughly dry the flowers, and then only use them. I plucked butterfly pea flowers and hibiscus flowers in the morning. I washed them thoroughly and dried them on tissue paper, and now I will use them. Just keep the petals and discard everything else. Fill the bottle with 1 tablespoon of candy sugar. Put on the petals on it, and again make a layer of 1 tablespoon of candy sugar over the flowers. More the flowers, keep adding 1 tablespoon and covering the petals. Cover the bottles with tissue paper, or you can use soft cotton cloth, and keep the bottles in full sun for the whole day and bring them in the evening. In the evening, remove the tissue paper, stir properly, and squeeze half a lemon in each bottle. Again stir properly, cover with the lid, and keep the bottles overnight. Next day morning you can add some more flowers and more candy sugar, or you keep the same bottles, covering them with tissue paper in the sun for the whole day. In the evening the candy sugar will melt and it is ready to use for preparing floral drinks. So now we are fully prepared to make amazing drinks with all the fresh ingredients from our garden. The next part, we will see how to make 5 amazing, colorful, flavorful, organic, fresh drinks from all these ingredients. If you like this video, please press the like button, please subscribe to my channel, and please comment in the comment box below. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you next week.